In a tense courtroom exchange, the judge confronts repeated bond violations, 13 in total, highlighting late-night curfew breaches. Frustrated by the defendant's behavior, the court takes swift action, revoking the bond and raising it significantly, sending a clear message. Accountability is no longer optional.
Good morning, Mr. Thomas.
Good morning.
Mr. Thomas, you're charged in two cases. You're charged with you're charged with evading arrest, assault bodily injury, and then you also have a felony assault of a public servant. On our case, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford one. Okay.
An officer was dispatched to Klein Collins High School, a public school in Harris County, Texas, for an assault on a student and a public servant. The defendant trespassed and assaulted a male minor, 15 years old, as well as assistant principal Tyler Smith by punching them multiple times around the body and head area while they were on the ground, causing pain. Both complaining witnesses claimed injuries to their head, back, shoulder, and wrist areas. While officer attempted to detain the defendant, he evaded on foot. Officer told the defendant to stop multiple times while in full police uniform. The defendant evaded for approximately 0.4 miles and was eventually caught and arrested by another officer outside the school building while running towards a wooded area.
That's the officer that he allegedly assaulted?
No, he didn't assault the officer. He assaulted the assistant principal.
Was that with the public?
As the hearing continues, the focus shifts to responsibility. The defendant's financial instability and lack of steady work draw sharp criticism. The judge questions his ability to provide for his family, emphasizing that being able-bodied comes with expectations, work, discipline, and contribution to both family and society.
Correct, Judge. I think the school video is going to show a little bit different, but that's okay. He's doing felony court today, and when he got his PIA rollover, they gave him the wrong information at the jail because it had been reset from 9/3 on the felony PIA rollover to 9/6, which was the same date your original court date here was. So we are here. I'm asking that the court reinstate the bond with whatever bond conditions the court deems appropriate, and I have to send him up to felony court, but I told felony court we're coming to you first.
Got it. What conditions have they put on it now, Justin?
He has bond conditions up there, Judge. No contact, I think, with the school and the yes, sir. No contact with the school. I have all the bond conditions up.
I see it.
No contact with the complainant. So do you want to just follow the exclusions? Do you want to follow the?
Yeah, I'm going to mirror the conditions upstairs. So, Mr. Thomas, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to test you. If I find that you're using any kind of alcohol or dope, I'm going to put you in jail. You will not get any more PR months. Do you understand? You're not to be in possession of any weapons, not to go back to the school, not to have contact with any of the complaining witness in this case. I'm going to protect my county, Mr. Thomas, and I'm going to do it at all costs. And I don't care if you're kicking and screaming and crying that you got to go to jail, but that's what I'm going to do. You've got a great lawyer. It's your responsibility to stay in touch with Mr. Kiter, and he'll tell you when you have to come back to court. But if he tells me that you're ducking and dodging, that's it. You're not getting any more PR bonds from us. You understand? Do you already have a future date for the felony case, Justin?
Your Honor, no, not yet. I promised them we're going up to felony.
So I'll have him sign conditions now. We'll send him up. And then if you want to email Victoria later, whatever date you get over there, we'll mirror the date.
Very good. Thank you, Judge. That'll save us a trip.
Man. Okay. We'll have you sign a reset. You'll get with pre-chop your bond conditions, and then you got.
The court imposes strict new conditions, secure a full-time job within 2 weeks, or face serious consequences. With added restrictions like no driving without approval, the judge underscores a tough stance. Follow the law or risk jail time. For the defendant, this is a final warning to change course.
I go upstairs.
You're reinstating
Go to
now?
185.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to reinstate your bond now. This is the only time it's going to happen.
Reinstate meaning.
Meaning that I issued a warrant for your arrest because you failed to appear. So if you take off again, I will issue another warrant and I'm not going to give you another free bond. I'm going to reinstate the bond now, but this is the only time it's going to happen. Do you understand? What do you do with yourself these days?
I go to work and I help my mom around the house. She has back problems, back surgery. So she can't.
Where do you work?
I'm a chef at Russo's Italian, New York Pizza, New York Russo's Pizza.
Okay. Are you working there full time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's another condition. When people have too much time on their hands, they become self-destructive. So you need to do something full time, either work or get into school. No part-time stuff. You've got to work full time or get into school full time. Do you understand?
And then both of them.
Good. All right. Okay. That way.
This way.